Today topic discussion is how to manage account receivable while extending credit period. Here is an example how to solve questions while extending credit period. Microbiotics currently sell all of its frozen dinner cash on delivery, but believe it can increase sale by offering supermarket 1 month of free credit. The price per carton is $50 and the cost per carton is $40. This is basic statement of a question. Now requirement. If unit sale will increase from 1000 carton to 1060 per month, means 60 net of units increase in sale. Should be firm offer the credit. If the sale increase from 1000 to 1060, then can company either increase or not. The interest rate is 1% per annum, simple interest, not compounding, and all customer will pay their bills, means no bad debt expense there. Interest rate per year 1% multiplied 12 equal to 12%. So this is the requirement 1. How we solve this? First is to find contribution. Contribution margin per unit. Contribution margin per unit equal to sale price less cost. Sale price is $50 given in question, cost 40 equal to $10 per unit contribution margin. If we needed contribution margin per unit in percentage, then contribution in dollars divided by sale price. Contribution in dollar, in last step we find $10. Sale price is $50. Answer is 0.20, or if we multiply with 100 then it will be 20%. We find expected increase in contribution margin. Simply increase contribution margin per annum equal to increase in sale 1060 less 1000 unit, 1060 unit less 1000 unit multiply 50 per unit sale price multiply 12 we are finding per annum, that's why we multiply by 12. The rate is contribution margin 20%. We simply write 2 point. Value is equal to, we find through calculator, is almost equal to 7200 per annum. 7200 per annum. PA stand for per annum. After finding increase contribution per annum is to find increase in account receivable. Account receivable simply annual credit sale is simple 1060 unit multiply 50 multiply 12% 12 per annum multiply 1 month over 12 equal to $53,000 increase in account receivable. So next step is to find cost of account receivable. Cost of account receivable is simply multiply 53,000 by 12%. 12% is cost given in question statement. So if we find 53,000 multiply 12%, answer is $6,360 cost of account receivable. Net benefit from this proposal is net contribution margin less cost. Net contribution margin given, we find $7,200 less cost 636. If we find net of, then it's 7,200 less this amount $840. $840 is net of benefit for the company if the company increase credit period for their customer, so is beneficial for company can take this initiative for increasing their profit. Okay, next part B. What if the interest rate is 1.5% per month? So in question part 1 part A, interest rate is 1%, so here is 1.5%. First is to find part B, find annual interest rate. Annual interest rate equal to per month interest rate 1.5 multiplied 12 equal to 18% per month. 18% per month. Now find the cost of account receivable. Account receivable. Cost of account receivable we find in part A. Account receivable is 53,000 multiply 18%. 53,000 multiply 18% equal to 9,540. So benefit will remain same. Net gain from this offer, benefit is 7,200 less cost of account receivable 9,540. Answer is negative 2,340. So option B is not feasible for the company if the interest rate per month is 1.5% in the market, then company cannot take this initiative. If you have any question regarding this portion, how to solve account receivable question while extending credit period. So you can ask in comments, either you can WhatsApp, email, so I will give you answer all of your queries. If you have any other topic that you want to understand virtually, I can do for you. Just share your topic, assignments, quiz. I will make a video on topics and share with you, so you can benefit, and also your class fellows and others benefited from the video. Okay, bye. See you in next video.